Wait, can I start now? Sorry for the troubles, guys, but what is up, everybody? We have part 2 of Lego Online. And also, uh, welcome to the second video of Lego Online Legos. I haven't got onto it yet, so I might as well. And it will save my progress, right? I can't look. I only leave one eye for my... That'll me later. No! Please save my focus. Itching playfield. Enter. I hope it enters that playfield. Yes! Except I'm not in it yet, but that's okay. But let's go to this. Okay, here's the toughest part. Let's go inside. Whee! Oh, sorry. How can I be comfortable? Okay. So now this. We're back in it. Part 2. We're back in. Yeah. I wanted to be the scarecrow. Whoa. Ah. Oh, cool, he bounces. Look. Oh, no, come on. I didn't want to use that. Yeah, boy. Oh, come on. No, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Switch to hot dog dude. Hot dog, duck and roll. Aw. Yeah. It's like a hot dog's trying to destroy a wall or something. Whee! Oh. Defeat Skimpy Bob. I've already defeated that in the last one, but here's another replay of it. Skimpy Bob, you're going down. You easy, Skimpy Bob. I've already defeated you. Yo. Wait, isn't it this wrong way? Just wondering. Yow! Rock, duck, and roll. Hot dog punch. This way. Wee. Hot dog. Whatever it is. Remember, if you play this game, it's just the intro is like samurais, mad wizards, and whatever it is, it's the hot dog guy. They didn't really say it's the hot dog guy, but I'm just saying. I'm going backwards because I feel a little confused. Do I have to use the stinking world map again? Okay. Hot dog, duck, and roll. But why can't I go? Maybe. Oh, yeah. Of course, I did that once. I did that once. I did that twice. Oh, but now how do I get up there? World map. What's there? That's the ship. But then what's... That's kind of weird. How do I get up there? Oh, come on. Hot dog, duck, and roll. So complicated. Once again, I'm going... Is there anything here? Oh, of course. I've been over here before. Ha. Very funny. Very funny. A replay, and then I don't know it the last time. I don't get it. Sorry guys for the replay. It's just Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Smash the law. Smash the law. Argo Chief of what? Argo Chief of Cargo. Argor Chief of Cargo. Neener cannon. Yeah. Yes. No, nothing special over here, right? Except some doofy enemies. He's got nothing chance of a hot dog. Kinda weird. How can a hot dog defeat pirates? Yeah! Oh, it's another visitor who's going down. This is not my place. This is the pirates. Except they're kind of doofy in this world. Doofy bills. Doofy everything. Everything's so not so smart in this world. You know what I mean? Ah, not another boss. Who's that? Corsair. Oh, Gunner Grenade. Why don't they just call him Gunner Grenade in the start? Because in the main town, there's like a bunch of those dudes, and then they're like throwing grenades at you. Another Gunner Grenade. Oh, Harry Grenade. Maybe they're brothers. Harry Grenade. Well, anyways, Harry Grenade's getting Henry or Henry. I mean Henry or Harry. I'll just call him Harry. Harry Grenade is sick because I just coughed. Hey, I don't want to fall down there. I hope I can. And you can't even jump in this game. Except Hot Dog Bun can hop. Freed captured prisoners. Oh, again. Because that other time I had to free all the prisoners in order to get through. Oh, it's like a Castellini. It's like a castle. Kind of cagey thing. You know what I mean. Yeah. Yeah. Am I gonna play this whole thing with a hot dog? Let's do skydive. This is how I wanted to start, but I didn't get any time to. I feel like there's one last one. Hey, go. Where do I go? Hello? Sorry guys, I just have to do this. Hope it's understood. What time is it? Another long video. Why could this be? Bissell, Bone, and Burial. Oh my god, not another one. You serious? I have to go through this again. You know what I could do? Take that. But now I'm just going backwards. Where in the world did I go? Oh. This is where I went. So then I'm going backwards. Yeah, so I'm going the right way. Another instant replay. Sorry guys, it's just replays are not cool. Replays, just not that cool. Oh my goodness, I've already... You serious? I have to pass another little bay. Oh, there's one more. Cool. This one should all up. I don't know what. No. Three fingers, okay. And that. Not a too fat. Not a too long replay. Sorry guys, I just have the coughs. Coughs are not that coughs. I meant the coughs are not that long. What's over here? There's two paths. One leads this way. Then another.
Shiver me timbers and sink me ship.
Shiver me timbers and sink me ship.
Again.
Again. You
landlubber
don't know
when to give up, eh?
Up, eh?
Gonna have to deal with you myself. Gonna have to put you in your place. Aye.
In a place, eh?
Your power comes from a
Your
curse,
power
Dreadleg.
comes from a curse.
Give it up. Stop this
Give
craziness.
it up. Stop this craziness.
You call me powers a curse.
You call me
But they
powers a
make
curse,
me
but they make
invincible.
me
I'll take your crystal compass
invincible.
and plunder all the Lego worlds.
Invincible. I'll take ye crystal compass and plunder all the Lego worlds.
Got a bit dizzy
got
there.
a bit
Anyways,
dizzy there.
come and face me steel.
Whatever.
And me cannons.
But I think
I'll
this is the
show
way.
you all how
Defeat
I'm the
Captain
only
what?
true
Where?
captain.
What? He's building his own ghost defense. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm just way too focused on this. Captain Dreadleg has that many health. It's more than Pirate Pete. Captain Pete, actually. He's a captain. Yeah. Oh god. Hot Dog's getting defeated. Scarecrow. 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 Yeah. Scarecrow. Scare pirate! Scare pirate! Yeah! Oh god, grief nuggets. Who has more health? Scarecrow! Come on, come on, come on! Use the health potions! Yes! Yup! Still not that much, that's it. It's almost as many as Captain Pete has, and he's not even gone! Yes. Sleep time. No, come on. Yeah. I wish I had that many health. Yeah. Hot Dog will never give up to defeat Captain Dreadleg. Yeah. That'd be a special move. Feel. This is impossible. Captain Dreadleg is not an enemy to me. He's a landlubber.
Stand down, Dreadleg. You're beaten. What do you have to say for yourself?
All me wanted was respect. Captain Pete marooned me, and then I found this cave. The islander shaman told me that the only way to break the curse was a crystal compass.
Oh, you didn't need to steal it. You could have just asked to borrow it.
Pirating and plundering be the only things me know. Me just wants to go back to being Smith.
You've touched me, Dreadleg. We can try.
Okay.
Ye did it! The curse is broken, and I feel so alive!
I guess that was the end of our journey. Oh. Because he's back to normal. You did it. The curse is broken and I feel so alive.
You did it!
You did it.
Dreadleg is no more, and Smith is back.
I knew you
I
had
knew
it.
you had it, matey. And
All
look
along.
at all
And then look
this
at the treasure. This treasure.
Every good adventure ends with a bit of treasure.
a
There
treasure.
might even be enough here to pay back all your debts, swashbuckler.
There might even be enough here to pay back all our debits, swashbuckler.
Drat! The spell failed again.
the spell
I said bearer
failed
of the
again, I
crystal
said.
compass,
I
not
said,
den of
"Druid
smelly
of the
pirates.
crystal compass, not den of smelly
Hey,
pirates.
what are you calling smelly,
Watch
mate?
what you're
I
calling
smell
smelly,
like roses.
mate.
Now,
I
did
smell
you
like
say
roses.
crystal
Now,
compass?
did you say crystal
Do you
compass?
know where it
Do
is,
you
young
know
man?
where is
The
it,
kingdom
young
is
man?
in trouble, and the
kingdom is in
crystal
trouble.
compass might
And the
be our
crystal
only
compass
hope.
might be your only hope.
Maybe we know, and maybe
Maybe.
we don't.
We know,
I'll pass
and,
along your message.
and maybe we don't. I'll pass along your message.
Youth these days, no respect
Youth
for their
these
elders.
days. No respect for elders. For the
It sounds like
elders.
medieval world is in
Sounds
trouble.
like the medieval
On the other
world
hand,
is in trouble.
we could also go and
On
plunder
the other
Treasure
hand,
Island.
we could also go and plunder Treasure Island.
Well, to get to either of them, we need
To
to go
get to
through
the
Lego
either of
Center.
them, we need to go through the Lego Center.
To Lego Center!
So, Lego Center. Yay! I got, back to normal Captain Dreadleg. I wanna be him. Now, who did I get last? I know who it is. It was Skydiver. Sorry, Skydive. Skydive? Are you? Oh, yeah. Oops. 1, 2. Skydive. Goodbye. Now we can be back to Captain Dreadleg. Golden soul. Use it. Cyclone head, cyclone body. I've already got it. What's this? Now I have to go back. Wait, do I have to collect it with my XP? Oh. Ah! It's just like the gunner dude. I have to go back. Me good luck. That was it. Goodbye, everybody.